Researchers from NC State University and the University of North Carolina have developed a new technology for decoding neuromuscular signals to control powered prosthetic wrists and hands. The work relies on computer models that closely mimic the behavior of the natural structures in the forearm, wrist, and hand. The technology could also be used to develop new computer interface devices for applications such as gaming and computer aided design CAD. The technology has worked well in early testing but has not yet entered clinical trials, making it years away from commercial availability. Current state of the art prosthetics rely on machine learning to create a pattern recognition approach to prosthesis control. This approach requires users to teach the device to recognize specific patterns of muscle activity and translate them into commands such as opening or closing a prosthetic hand. Every time you change your posture, your neuromuscular signals for generating the same hand wrist motion change. So, relying solely on machine learning means teaching the device to do the same thing multiple times, once for each different posture, once for when you are sweaty versus when you are not, and so on. Instead, the researchers developed a user-generic musculoskeletal model. The researchers placed electromyography sensors on the forearms of 6 able-bodied volunteers, tracking exactly which neuromuscular signals were sent when they performed various actions with their wrists and hands. This data was then used to create the generic model, which translated those neuromuscular signals into commands that manipulate a powered prosthetic. When someone loses a hand, their brain is networked as if the hand is still there. So, if someone wants to pick up a glass of water, the brain still sends those signals to the forearm. The researchers use sensors to pick up those signals and then convey that data to a computer where it is fed into a virtual musculoskeletal model. The model takes the place of the muscles, joints, and bones, calculating the movements that would take place if the hand and wrist were still whole. It then conveys that data to the prosthetic wrist and hand, which perform the relevant movements in a coordinated way and in real time, more closely resembling fluid natural motion.